Mutton Rara. Also known as Rara Gosht, is a mutton recipe that is popular in North Indian states. It is made using mutton pieces and mutton mince, very different from the other mutton curries which normally use either the keema or pieces. Process. For mutton. Marination in a bowl, add mutton, salt to taste, ginger garlic paste, coriander powder. Add degi red chili powder, turmeric powder, fried onion oil and mix everything well. Keep aside for 5–10 minutes. For keema. Marination in a bowl, add mutton keema, salt to taste, curd, green chilies, garlic cloves, ginger. Add coriander stems, coriander powder and marinate everything well. For ginger garlic paste in a mortar pestle, add green chili, garlic cloves, ginger, salt to taste and make a smooth paste of it. For tempering in a large sauce pot or handi. Add ghee, fried onion oil. Once it's hot, add cumin seeds. Add black cardamom, cloves and let them crackle for a few seconds. Add prepared ginger garlic paste and sauté it well. Add onion and sauté until it's translucent or light pink in color. Add marinated mutton and keep cooking on medium flame. Cover it with the lid and let the mutton cook in its own juices for 5–6 minutes. Add marinated keema and keep sautéing for 10 minutes. Add tomato puree and mix it well. Cook on medium flame till releases its oil. Add mutton stock and mix. It well and then cover it with a lid and cook on low flame for 10–15 minutes. Add prepared masala, grate nutmeg and stir well. Transfer into a serving bowl or plate. Garnish with coriander sprig and serve hot with paratha. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe.